Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we will explore how you can completely uninstall OneDrive from your system. This is Windows 11 and by default OneDrive can be uninstalled from here. However, there are many bits and pieces left on your system, and basically when you uninstall a program they always leave traces behind. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna launch a browser and search for Revo Uninstaller. Let's go ahead and accept. And what I like about it is that the free version is completely enough for our needs. We can either download an installer or we can download portable version, which in my opinion is the better option. When you click on the portable version, we're gonna save the file, open the zip and drag it somewhere. Enter the folder, and this right here is the one we need to open. Say yes. OK, and from here we can uninstall our OneDrive completely. Select it. Just wanna say that this uninstaller program is the way to go when you want to uninstall something from your system, because it doesn't leave traces behind and is completely free. This right here is the OneDrive. Simply select it and after that uninstall. It's going to ask us if we are sure that we want to remove OneDrive. Let's go ahead and not make a system restore point because it will take some of our precious time, and continue. Click on scan and it's going to scan for every single entry that has OneDrive in it. Click on next. It has found 6 keys. Select the My Computer, and what this is going to do is scan the whole computer for OneDrive bits and pieces. Click on delete. Select all, again delete. And click on finish. After that, what we're going to need to do is check if OneDrive is in our system, and I do not see it here. OneDrive cannot be found. And this is the way to basically remove OneDrive from your system or any application that you want. There is no registry editor, there is no scripts, it's just a basic portable program which you need to download, and this will do everything for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day ahead. Bye now.